Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the FalconEyes F7 Pocky Light. I don't know, is it Pocky Light? Poca Light? Poco Light? Roll the intro. Wow, that was quite an intro now, wasn't it? It's all about this pocket light here. I call it a pocket light, but they call it a pocket E-light. This is the FalconEyes F7. We're gonna talk about its features, what the package contains, how well that battery does, and how to operate some of the features on this light. So let's take a look at that. So first of all, the package comes in this wonderful box here. Nice, bright, vibrant colors. The RGB LED light, it says on the front. And then on the back, it has some of the specs on it. We're going to talk about some of those specs a little bit later here. It also comes with two types of light modifiers. We have the diffuser over here, and then we have the honeycomb grid, which helps focus your light as well. So those are something we're going to talk a little bit about. Then it comes with some other little accessories. It comes with a cold shoe mount so that you can mount it directly to your camera or any other device that has a cold shoe adapter on it, as well as a cool little tiny magic arm. And these things are super great. I use them for all sorts of things, and having an extra one, I don't mind whatsoever. So really cool tool to have. And then it comes with a USB-C because this does charge with a fast USB-C cable. And then it comes with a nice little case. This case is really cool. It fits the light in it no problem. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit the accessories like the little magic arm, the cold shoe, or any of the light modifiers, but it's a nice case. It has Velcro on the back, so you can stick it to whatever you want, whether it be a light stand, maybe on your hip, or on your camera bag, whatever you want to do. And then it comes with a little manual, and of course, the light itself. Now the light, very solid build, solid construction, made of an aluminum alloy, I think. I'm not exactly sure what kind of metal it is, but it is rugged. It is built like a tank. Unbelievable. Really clear markings on the back to show you what kind of functions it has. It's really easy operation. You can see on the back here, it has a LED display. When you turn it on the back, it also has a nice color wheel, so you have a reference to the color adjustments when you use your hues, and you got your full color wheel going from 0 to 360, which is great. As well as it came with this sticker. I've already put my sticker on. It's up to you whether you want to use the sticker or not. I chose to use it so that I can have a quick reference as to which of the effects or scenes, they call it, you can use on this light. USB-C charged. It also has quarter 20. Unfortunately, it only has one. It doesn't have any on the sides or anything like that, so only one on the bottom. That's okay, I can live with that. Should we talk about the battery? Let's do that. So we're gonna talk about the battery. The battery in this is a 3000 milliamp hour battery, which for this light is pretty cool. It would be nice to have a little bit bigger, always, but that runs this battery at 100% on CCT at 5600 Kelvin, 100% intensity for 1 hour and 51 minutes. This is not too bad for a little pocket light like this. Now, the really cool thing about that too is that you can actually use an external battery to charge it and use it at the same time. The only downside to doing that is that you can only use it at an intensity of 70%. Now, if that's not a factor for you and not a big deal, then that's a perfect solution for you. 70%, you're gonna get a pretty bright light from this anyway. The difference between the 70 and the 100% is marginal, but that's up to you to decide what you wanna do. The other thing about the battery is how long does it take to charge? Now, the charging time for this battery, it takes a little longer than I would like it to charge. It takes 3 hours and 35 minutes to charge. That's how long it took me to charge it on the USB-C, and that's supposed to be a quick charge. So that's, I guess, not terrible. It's doable. You can use the RGB at 100% intensity, and I did it at 360 on the hue, and the saturation was 100% as well, and that lasted 3 hours and 33 minutes on RGB. So not too bad. That lasts quite a bit of time, and if you decide to use the battery pack as well with that, it's, well, as long as your battery pack lasts for charging it as well. So that's really good. Now then, we take a look at some of the accessories that we have here. Of course, people want to know, do these actually do anything? Are they going to make a big difference? First of all, how do you put it on? You just slide that on there, and you put that on like that, and make sure that it follows the edge there so you don't have any light leaks. And then you're going to turn on your light. We'll just go like that. There we go. And there's your CCT. Pretty bright, and that's at 63% right now. Can probably bring that down. Right about. That's not bad. What is that at? 24%, and that's about 2 feet away. Not too bad. When you switch it from CCT mode, you can switch it by using the set button, and you can change it to the RGB or HSI mode, whatever you decide to call it. And you can change using your function to go up and down, but it doesn't work right away. Reason for that is because you have to press it in. It's a function button, so press it in, and you're gonna see here that it highlights the hue, and then you can start dialing in your different colors. And there we go, cool colors. Ooh. And then if you press that function button one more time, it's gonna go to your saturation, where you're gonna be able to change it from 0 all the way to 100. Now, if you have no saturation, obviously it just becomes a normal light, just like that. And you can use the set button again to switch it to scene mode, where it initially may be off for you. And you can use the function button here, or toggle switch, and you can just push up to go to your different scenes, switch things around, and you have 20 different scenes you can go through. Police car, ambulance, fire truck, lightning 1, lightning 2, HSI demo slow, HSI demo fast, screen, candle, paparazzi, strobe, high and low beam bulb, double flash, red flash, green flash, blue flash, party 1, party 2, breathing white, and RGB strobe. So lots of different scenes there. There's 20 of them in total, and you can use that. After using the diffuse, you can easily use your grid modifier, your honeycomb. Slide that on the same way, just like that. make sure it's fitted, and that is going to give you your light modification, so you can control where your light is. I want to do fill light. Wow. What is that? 14%. There you go. The really cool thing about the intensity of this is that you can go all the way from 0 all the way to 100. And it's a stepless system is what they say. Now, can you see it stepping? I don't know. What else does this light have? Well, it does not have an app. No app. But the new ones by FalconEyes do have an app with them. They have the FalconEyes F7 Fold. That has an app with it. And there's an F7 Mini, I think it's called. One thing that this does do that some lights on the market do not do, and that is it has a magnetic feature. I don't have anything magnetic at the desk here, but I'll show you in a different video. Go ahead. There it is. And that's going to my metal writing board right beside my desk, and that works perfectly. If you have a light stand, it's a neat feature to have. And I think that covers it. If you're interested in it, right now, the price that I looked at is $149 Canadian. Its regular price on Amazon is around $189 Canadian. So I'd get it as soon as I can at this price. Yeah, right now is as low as it's ever been. So take a look at that. I don't know what it is in the States and how much it costs there, but I think it's at a lower cost because of the new FalconEyes lights that are coming out. So take a look. Links are down below for all countries, so don't miss that. Thanks. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe so you can see any future videos, and let me know if this was helpful. Let me know your experience if you have a light just like this. What was it? Do you enjoy it? Is it worth it? Okay? Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.